और राजा रघुवंशी हत्याकांड मामले में मेघालय पुलिस की तरफ से प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस की जा रही है, यह सुनाते हैं।
Services as Raja to replay the role of Raja. We have ascertained what was the position just before the murder, who was standing where, and how the blow took place. So 3 blows took place. The first blow was by Vishal, alias Vicky. The second blow was by Anand, and the last blow was by Akash. In our interrogation, we have ascertained that there is one more dao or machete which needs to be recovered. It is still down there. They have replayed of how they have thrown the 2 daos. The first dao which was thrown has been recovered, and you have seen that, I think, in certain visuals. It has an orange handle. The second machete which is not recovered and from which they have shown as to where is the point of it being thrown, it's got a steel handle. The SDRF are on the job. They've gone down and they've taken handheld metal detectors to try to recover the weapon. We have also ascertained Akash, the white shirt we had recovered with the body on the 2nd of June. That was thrown by Akash. That was his shirt. He has shown us from where he has thrown that. We have also ascertained as to what happened to the mobile of Raja, which was first damaged by Sonam and later by Akash, Vishal. So this whole thing has been played out, and how they made their exit from this place. So this whole scheme, this whole reconstruction of the murder, the offence has been played out today. We have got a very clear picture. We have recorded in videography. We have got independent witnesses to cover it, and I think the reconstruction was very, very successful. Thank you. No, see, we have in a statement, we have ascertained one more weapon, which I have said. Today they have shown us, because of the kind of terrain out there, which is a perpendicular fall to the gorge. The SDRF is here and they will be recovering it. If they can get today, we're hoping that they should get today. If not, then tomorrow. But the whole the hitting of the victim with that or using that weapon on the victim has been ascertained, and where that weapon was thrown from has also been ascertained. See, there were, as per the postmortem report, there were 2 wounds on the head. So the third one, which Anand has said, when he had taken his shot, he was very nervous, and I think it didn't make much of an impact. Also, if there's an impact, also the kind of decomposition which the body has had, the postmortem examination wasn't able to ascertain that gash out there. But the 2 head injuries from sharp weapons are very clear.
Sir, where is Sonam's phone?
Sorry?
Sonam ka phone mila, sir?
See, Sonam's phone she's actually destroyed that phone and thrown off that phone.
Raja was wearing gold chain, the money.
See, that has already been actually taken out right from down there, right from Nongriat. Only there was no gold being worn on him. It was already in the bag.
Was it hit from behind? Was it taken by surprise?
Yes, he was taken by surprise. The first hit was from Vicky, and it was I think it was a very hard hit, because it used, I think, 2 hands it used for that hit. So that was the lethal hit. See, Sonam was there when this happened and all that, and Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that they should finish the job. And Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind. Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right or to his left. When this happened, when the first shot, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that. She ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot. And the body was thrown by the three of them. Two of them held from the hands and one person held from the legs. And he was thrown down. They have mentioned out there that he had because it's terrace, that the precipice out there is terraced. The body had fallen into one kind of a platform, and from there on went right down.
सर वो जो एंड पॉइंट है जहाँ पर वो ग्रिल लगी है जिस पर एक स्टेयर है वहीं पर मर्डर भी हुआ.
Yes.
वहीं से डाउन किया.
Yes. The postmortem says he died because of the sharp weapon. Yes.
Sir, you mentioned that all the three were the ones who lifted the body. Who was the one who was riding the scooty and eyeing around here?
We actually in the beginning we had thought that somebody was actually moving around up and down, but actually this is actually if you go this way and you go this way, it's a zigzag. So the zigzag is actually this one. It's not somebody going up and down. Yeah.
If we establish the motive of the crime through this crime scene reenactment.
See, out here is actually finding out its motive. Though the preliminary investigation, as we have already said, that there's a love triangle, but we are trying to explore if there's any other thing more. This investigation doesn't end here. That okay, the accused have admitted, we have got evidence, we have reconstructed and admitted. It doesn't end here. We will explore if there's any other motive. Right now, the motive which appears in front of us is this love triangle, and we will explore further.
The sling bag that Raja was carrying.
The bag was taken by the three of them.
सर सबसे बड़ा सवाल है, राज ने टिकट बुक किया था इंदौर से यहाँ आने के लिए, वो क्यों नहीं आया? पूछताछ तो उसने क्या बताया है? अपने तीनों दोस्तों को भेजा, सोनम यहाँ पर आई, वो कांटेक्ट में रहा, राज क्यों नहीं आया?
See, Raj is an employee of Sonam's family's company. His disappearance out there would be suspicious. That's why he was always in touch with the family.
जो सीन रिक्रिएशन के समय सोनम ने क्या कबूल किया है कि वो इस घटना में शामिल है, उसने ये हत्या की है?
Very much.
कबूल की है आज?
Yes, very much. Right from the beginning, I said in her statements, she has already admitted to this whole scheme of things.
Sir, did she hit?
कल पेशी होगी सर, कल पेशी होगी.
Yes.
कल कोर्ट produce report tomorrow.
No, it's not. Day after tomorrow. Day after tomorrow.
Did she hit Raja sir?
No.
सर बॉडी उठाने में सोनम ने भी मदद की थी?
No.
नहीं.
Vishal and Akash both holding machetes like when they attacked Raj, were Vishal and Akash both
Yes.
holding?
Yes.
Anand, how did he hit, like the last one?
Anand, Akash had given him. Akash had given Anand, and had taken the last shot.
She expressed regrets all four of them.
See, when any criminal who is actually caught will regret their actions and all that. So we cannot say whether they have remorse. Regret they have, remorse I can't say.
Did she reaching that spot where she committed the crime? Right.
Kumna?
What was her expression when he shared?
I don't think so. There's any. She was actually just replying to what we said and all that, but there was no crying.
How did she know about this place? Why did they choose this place?
It was, according to them, is by chance that they chose this place. They were actually all along multiple places wanted to actually finish him off. Like I said, right from Nongriat also they wanted, but there was no place to dispose. So multiple places around they looked, and when they just happened to move into this place, they found it was empty, and there was a viewpoint which they were hanging around out there in that viewpoint. So that was the chance they took.
सर सोशल मीडिया पर 2 वीडियो वायरल है, जो लास्ट वीडियो बताया जा रहा है जिसमें सोनम भी दिख रही है और तीनों कातिल भी दिख रहे हैं, तो क्या उस शख्स को पूछताछ के लिए बुलाया जाएगा, उसकी स्टेटमेंट ली जाएगी? जो
Yes, yes. In fact, that will help us also because हम लोग the whole thing is we trying to prove is that these people were there together. So that video also, in fact, just helps us. So the person who recorded that, we will reach out to him and he'll.
Can we rule out that the accused had vacated the place because the ease at which they left the place after committing the crime, taking a scooty, it needs an expert who knows the route and all. It's not easy to get to the main road, Sora, from here. So is there is it possible that any of them visited the place before?
See, as of now, because you see, you have, number one is, in this day and age, you have Google, you have GPS and all that. So it's not very difficult actually to get to the main road. Okay, so we'll show you the closest approach to get to the main road. It's not very difficult in this day and age. And but regarding whether they came, none of these people have visited Shillong before. However, we will still investigate in this matter if actually they had prior information to this place or they've visited this place prior to this incident.
Sir, is the police satisfied with the AJ's custody or you're seeking for more?
Well, no, we'll take a call on that. I'll have to sit with the in charge SIT and his team and all that. Whether they will let me know whether they still require some more days. Perhaps they will.
सर लव ट्रायंगल के अलावा क्या फाइनेंशियल एंगल भी है इसमें? पहला सवाल, क्योंकि राजा का कोई बड़ा कॉन्ट्रैक्ट मिलने वाला था जिस पर डील हो रही थी मध्य प्रदेश इंदौर में, और वहाँ पर राज को कौन और ऐसा जो सपोर्ट कर रहा था? 2 लड़के कौन? क्योंकि बनारस की लड़की ने 2 लड़कों का जिक्र किया है.
See, like I said, immediately which comes to the fore is this love triangle. Investigation has just started. We will explore more into this. If there are other angles, if there's a financial angle, if somebody was to gain from Raja's death, like you said, if Raja was going to bag a contract, we will verify all these. In fact, right now as we are speaking, my team is there in Indore. They have gone to the flat of the flat where Sonam was kept. They've conducted search out there. The flat is empty, and but they will be camping in Indore for actually questioning a lot of things.
इंदौर लेकर जाएंगे सर?
No.
Can you tell us at any time Raja was surprised to see the presence of these 3, or are the 3 known to him?
No, Raja is not known. These 3 were not known to Raja. In fact, once they made friends, and since the plan was known to Sonam and these 3 people, so when they said that they'll go to Dauki, Raja automatically made friends with them because they're from. They had said that they're going to MP, also to Dauki. And so they made plans together that from here they'd go to Dauki.
Established contact from here.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, Sonam ki family ko bhi is there any chance that the Bandhana Kalita case was known to them because the body was dumped here earlier also? Because that story also went viral all over the country. So did they know about that story?
Not to our knowledge, and they've never visited this place. They have not heard about this place before also. According to them, it's by chance. But we will explore that, like I said, whether they've come here before. And if they've come here before, then they'd be familiar with the place.
सर सोनम की फैमिली को भी इन्वेस्टिगेशन ज्वाइन करने के लिए आप लोगों ने बोला है किसी को?
See, our team is there. They will do some questioning out there. They will find out what is the background and a lot of any other angle. They'll be doing the questioning out there.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah? Okay.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
In fact,